Hello students! Before you start watching this concept video, quickly I want to tell you that you can get access to more such concept clarity classes by our experts from our Turito Champions program. This program is designed for classes 4th to 12th and is available at a very nominal fee, which is only around 3 rupees a day. That too from the comfort and convenience of your homes. So enroll today and get started. We look forward to see you in the class.
Hello students, today we will be talking about study of gas law, and in that we will derive the ideal gas equation. So as you already know about all the 4 basic laws, let us see 3 of them. What are those? First one is Boyle's law, which is nothing but V is inversely proportional to P. Next one is Charles' law. What is that? V is directly proportional to T. And the last one is Avogadro's law, where V is directly proportional to N. Now, as over here everything is proportional to V, let us combine all these laws. What we will get? We will get V is directly proportional to NT by P, correct? Now, in order to remove this proportionality sign, I have to add a constant. What is that? That constant is nothing but universal gas constant, and it is represented by R. So if I do that, what I will get? V is equal to nRT by P. Now let us transfer this P to the other side. What we will get? PV is equal to nRT. This is called as ideal gas equation, and also it is considered as state equation of a gas. Why? Because all the terms which determine a state of gas is present in this particular equation. Okay. Now over here there is a constant. What is that? R, universal gas constant. What is the value of this R? R is equal to 0.0821 atmosphere liter per mole per Kelvin. It is also equal to 0.083 bar liter per mole per Kelvin. It is also equal to 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin, and in calorie it is equal to 1.987 calorie per mole per Kelvin, okay, which is around about written as 2 calorie per mole per Kelvin, okay.